So this is basically my setup here. I got the recovery tank right here. This is the recovery tank for 134A. It says 134A. I bought this used from someone. I also have a recovery machine. This machine is just for recovery. This is just to recover the refrigerant that's inside the system. This is the high side right here. I got it closed right now because I'm not evacuating it yet, but I'm fixing to here in a minute. Then we have the low side, which is the suction side. This is where it sucks the refrigerant out. It goes from these AC manifold gauges here. This line here in the middle is going to go all the way to this one. It has a filter. You have to use a filter, so you make sure you got to use the filter on this. This is a, I don't really know how to say the name, a Baccarat, I guess, or whatever it's called. I think it's German, if I'm not mistaken. This is the first time I've ever used this type of recovery machine. I've used the ones that they have in the shops. I've never used actually one like this. This is going to be the first time I've ever used one like this, but it's pretty much the same process, just a little different. So right now I have everything set. It's closed right now, so whenever I get ready to vacuum, I'm just going to cut it on and open up all these valves. These valves got to be opened up so that way it could be recovering all the refrigerant back into this right here, into this recovery tank. But first, before anything, before you get started on the process, this is just for this van right here, this particular van that I'm doing. I mean, I guess every vehicle varies and is different. The first thing you want to do is you want to disconnect the battery cable, the negative battery cable. Then you're going to go over here. You're not going to be able to see it from up here, but I'm probably going to have to go down underneath, and you have to disconnect the compressor. That's what the specs say on here, on the information, the service information I have over here. It says you have to disconnect the compressor. You have to wait at least, when you disconnect the battery, you got to wait at least 3 minutes, and then you disconnect the compressor, and then you start the recovery process. This is part one for my AC recovery and AC recharging component replacement video.